Now, let's talk about how the home warranties work and how they cover your home. First of all, they're split into two different categories. So home warranties will usually cover what's called systems of your house. Or that are things like your hot water heater, your furnace, your air conditioning unit, maybe your electrical or your plumbing, the systems of your house. These are things that are really a part of your house. If you were to sell your house, these are all things that would go with it in most cases. And if you want to cover just systems of your house, those embedded inherent systems, it's probably going to cost you, let's call it $25 a month. I think that's a general ballpark number for the typical average home. The other side of the coverage is usually called appliances. And these are all things that aren't necessarily built with your house, but you put in. Usually the owner will choose a lot of these things like your refrigerator, your dishwasher, your stove, your oven. It can even be your laundry machine or your dryer in some cases, or some other appliances if you have them, your microwave. And I think that all makes a lot of sense. And often covering these on a monthly basis is about $25 a month, right? But because home warranty coverage is available for either one or the other, they certainly will bundle it. And that's usually where you'll get the best value, because instead of paying $50 a month for both coverages, it'll be, say, $40 a month. So you usually get some break point here for covering both pieces of the picture. Now, like most insurances, even though this is a service contract, like most insurances, you're probably familiar with the idea of a deductible. So anytime you have a repair or you need service and someone comes and fixes it, you're going to be on the hook for part of it. This is what encourages you not to keep just submitting things every time something comes up. It really makes you determine, hey, do I want to put this through, pay my deductible portion? Often the deductibles can be anywhere from $20 to $50 per service or per item. And they can go up to $100 or even a little more sometimes. That helps reduce the monthly cost on them. But you as a consumer get to choose what deductible you want in the plan. For example, if you have a plumbing repair and the home warranty company sends out a plumber to fix it, and he produces a bill and it shows $500 total, but your deductible is $50, he's just going to take a $50 payment from you at the time of that service. And then you're done with it. That other $450 due for the service is going to be handled through your warranty company directly to that service provider. And so you will just usually charge your credit card, cash, check, whatever it is, usually all the standard payment methods. And so that's really the nice thing. That's where you really see the value in how much money it's saving you. Another question I get a lot is, I don't know that I'd be able to get coverage. My house is really old. It's a vintage house, probably a lot of things that are probably suspect in it. Most home warranty companies don't require an inspection. If you sign up for the warranty, it doesn't exclude anything. It just will cover everything regardless of how old or how new. There is a catch. There's usually a 30-day waiting period from the time you sign up. So what you can't do is say, hey, my air conditioning is on the fritz. I need that home warranty now, so I'm going to sign up for it and then call tomorrow and submit a claim. Doesn't work that way. You sign up for the warranty and then the clock starts. For 30 days, you can't submit a claim. Nothing will be approved. It's just a way to ensure that you're not signing up because you have an immediate need, if that makes sense. But once you're through that 30 days, then the warranty is active immediately for anything that you have beyond that.